We'll call this the West Hill. Oh, my farm?
Whatever.
Or yeah, we'll call this the West Hill.
I'm going to do an infiltration measurement today.
Look, there's freaking trees here.
Fescue pasture, pretty much. And let's start with an inch of water there.
So this is an infiltration test to see how fast the land can absorb an inch of water.
Yeah. And I might have hit a piece of wood when I'm driving this ring in, but we'll try one on a. Trying to get away from some of the woody stems here, but there's a lot of this shit here.
Yeah. Well, actually, believe it or not, 2 years ago, there was no fescue here.
Really?
It was pure ceresia. And where the cows are right now,
That's almost done, by the way. Yeah, I'd call that done. Let's add another inch of water to that one.
so what was your estimate on the first inch?
First inch took 52 seconds.
So we can absorb an inch of rain in 52 seconds. And this is probably the best part of my pasture.
And let's do the second ring here.
Mark Baker and Mr. Luke Baker out with us today. Here goes the second location.
And this basically tests your porosity and your macropores.
Okay.
How big, the worm channels are or whatever.
Okay.
And I tend to call them done when half the soil surface is exposed, which is allows you to accommodate uneven ground or hoof prints or something like that.
Sure.
So when that water soaks in, you let me know.
Okay.
Let's try another spot here.
That next terrace channel headed down, it just gets worse and worse as we head down the hill. I would say venturing that way it may be a little bit better.
But I was thinking actually something worse for a.
I'd say if you head straight south down the
one of
hill.
these big wheel tracks or something, just to give people an example.
Sure. Yeah, let's do that.
Or let's see what we got here. Couple of wheel tracks.
Make it some thorns, Dad.
So this one is on its second inch of water, and it's still got a little ways to go. Still hasn't come in. This one is on its first inch of water.
Here's a place where water doesn't soak in very much.
So yeah, we'll come back to this. We're going to go to a different